Evening. Today I am going to show how to download Windows 7, and I know it's an old version, but just I want to check whether Windows 7 we can do or not. So open any browser and just type there as Windows 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 7 download and enter. Actually I am using ISO file, so I am downloading in ISO. So download Windows 7 ISO file. Here you can see it. So just scroll down and you just open it, and we'll get an download option. So just check for version and support in your PC, and just download it. I'm going to use 64-bit. So I downloaded, and here my ISO file I'll show. In Edge again I'm opening and I'm downloading Rufus because I want to do bootable. So just I'm downloading Rufus file, and here Rufus 4.3 EX standard 64 is there, so I am going with it. See, here we can see Rufus has been downloaded, and in downloads I will check for Rufus and I'll bring it back to desktop. See, here we can see I just inserted a pen drive, 16 GB. IR5 is my pen drive, so 16 GB pen drive. So select for ISO file. Just now I downloaded Windows 7 so we have to select it. Here we can see Windows 7 is there, so I am selecting and open. And here you can see for standard Windows installation, GPT and target system. And here we have to go for here file system is there, volume label is there, so just go for start, and all data on device will be erased. So go for OK. Just wait. Whatever data is there in your pen drives, please just copy that in some other devices, so that if your data if you just insert your pen drive, your entire data will be lost. So here we can see status. Now my pen drive it is doing bootable of my pen drive for Windows 7, so it will take some time. So now you can see here my pen drive bootable has been completed, and so ready. So just close it. So now see, I'm showing starting Windows. See, here we can see in screen setup is starting. Setup is copying temporary files. My Windows 11 was there, and just I downgraded to Windows 10, and then now I am downgrading it to Windows 7. Just I want to check Windows 7 how could it support my system and all. So here we can see do not get the latest updates. So next we'll go, and I want to help make Windows installation better. Okay, and I accept the license terms. So next. So here we can see this partition for you have to check for partition. 500 GB was my partition, and okay. Installing Windows. It will take some time for installing Windows. Just will wait for seconds. It will be completed. Expanding Windows files 100% has been completed, and that's all information we need right now. And your computer will restart several times. See, computer will be restart several times during installation. Almost completed. Restarting in 7 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Starting Windows. Now my Windows 7 has been set up. Setup is updating registry setting, it seems. So almost it's nearby to complete. Setup is starting services, completing installation. Setup will continue after restarting your computer. Starting Windows. Setup is preparing your computer for this. Setup is checking video performance. See, it's on Windows 7, that's why it is taking some time. Preparing your desktop. Windows 7 Ultimate has been appeared here. So here we can see my Windows 7 has been installed, and here we can see work network, home network, public network, and connecting to your network and applying setting. Share with the other home. See, Windows 7 has been appeared, and you can see for an options whatever there in Windows 7. So it's on Windows 7. So here you can see entire things. Start task manager. I'm just checking all the options which were there in Windows 7. So service, performance, networking users, CPU usage history, physical memory usage history, and here we can see every details. File manager and documents, computer. And here we can see how Windows 7 is looking. Now we are using advanced version of Windows 11. So how much difference is there, you can see over here. So here you can see each and everything. So hope you enjoyed this video, and if it is somewhat informative, please like, share and subscribe my channel. See, here we can see welcome to Windows Media Center. So thank you.